Hello and welcome to my channel, and this next time I am doing sound effects, and I will be putting sound effects in a game that I did before. So let us start. So we're going to go into controls. I'm going to put a repeat. I'm going to do this twice, and I'm going to put them at 16. Okay, so I'm going to put a few different sounds. So as you can see here, I kind of added some sounds like this drum jam and this hi-hat. So I will put these sounds in like this. And no, I won't connect them. And when clicked, I'm going to put when click blocks on it. So this is going to be pretty loud. So I'm just going to turn my volume here. So you can do. So you can see this. This is longer. So you could go into here and you could cut some parts. You can use all these. I won't go into that right now. You can like cut or make it softer or faster. You can do all of that to make it like right, but this is what I'm just showing you an example of what you could do. Or I could say put a weight block in here. I could be so you see it's not as like on the beat, but let's see if it actually, yeah, this is still shorter. So you would need to figure out some way to make it thing. And also, I forgot to mention this in my last video. If you have, if um, if you have not like, if you done this and you want to show it to me, please do share it online and send me a link of it so I can see it. I've already seen one and I've commented on one. But yeah, we will go on to the next thing that I want to show you. So remember this game. If you don't remember, we did this game and something's actually wrong. The dog starts first. Actually check that. Oh, he doesn't have a weight block. That's funny. So you see, remember this game that we made? We made this chasing game. This dog chasing a cat, this space dog chasing a cat. So, yeah, so we're gonna add sound into this. So we're gonna go into sound, and we're gonna go into the cat. And when it gets caught, it's going to play a meow sound. So let me just make it get caught. So you can see it kind of still goes on, but then it stops all. See, because every time you start it, it will start from either end of the corners. So what you can also do with this is you can make it start the bark sound. Oh, that. And I'm gonna actually do this. So I'm gonna put a forever block and put a one click. So, oh wait, I forgot to do something. And let's see how long the sound is. It's 0.4. So 1 would be good. So it will keep playing a barking sound. And then when it gets touched, so you can do that. Or you can do that same with the cat, or you can say, or you can make a sound recording, say, "Oh, don't eat me," and it could keep replaying like that, and you can do that over and over, and you can make it go over and over again. So I just use that in basic code, and also um, you could play background music. I could have the stage. So I'm going to quickly talk about the stage. The stage is over here, and it can be coded too. So I can make an event when it's clicked. I can put a forever block, and not the pop. I'm going to make drum. Let's do this drum jam, the one I used before, because so you can see it's kind of jam. You're going around. So when you get further into the stage, but you can make different codes for the stage. I just did a simple code to make it in the background, so it's not a sprite. It's the stage that's playing it. So the stage is this white thing. I can actually change the stage. I'm actually going to do that right now. Outdoor. Find something outdoors. We can go to a playing field because they're playing for some reason. So you can see here, this is basically a sprite too, but it's not really. It's this. So this cat's going on the fence whatsoever. And when you get a little advanced, I've done this sometimes. I might show some of my projects that I've done, and I do teach people Scratch games, and I'm actually gonna feature some of their Scratch games. I'm not gonna say their names because just for reasons, but I'll show you guys their games, and I'll tell you how they made it and what they kind of did differently from what I taught them. I'll kind of feature some of their games, and like I said again, if you want your games to be featured, please put them in the comments, and that would help me a lot, like a lot. So play with this, see what you can do, and yeah, that's it for me. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'm gonna see you in a bit. And we're next gonna be talking about variables, and variables are basically to keep data. So I'll talk about more about that next time, and I will see you in a bit. So bye.